Oha soup they served me yesterday in my dream was not really looking so appetizing. This morning I decided to prepare my own with some dry meat. First of all, into my boiling water, add the dry meat, dry goat meat, and add some stockfish, add some salt, then cover it and allow it to cook. Okay, after it has cooked for a while, I go ahead with my pounded cocoyam. Yes, I added about 4 spoons of this cocoyam. This is what I'm going to be using as the thickener to thicken my soup. Okay, so after adding the cocoyam, I go ahead and add some red oil to how I want it to be, and this is ugirisi, yes, all the way from the east. So I added about three of this. This is the main spicy, local spicy for this oha soup. Okay, here it is how it is inside. All right, I added about 3 pieces of it, and this is Cameroon pepper, and this is Uziza seed, which I'll pound, and I pounded and I added. Give my soup a stir, turn everything, stir it very well, and cover it. Allow my ingredient to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes on a medium to low heat. Then, now I'll put it back, and it's time to add some crayfish. By now, the cocoyam has all dissolved, and my soup is almost well thickened to the way I want it. This is Uziza leaf. It is also for added aroma, and after adding those as a leaf, I go ahead and add the oha leaf. Yeah, so add the oha leaf and stir it, then cook it on a medium, no, not medium heat, on a very low heat for about more 2 minutes, so that the leaf will become soft. And at this point, 2 minutes later, on a low heat, this leaf is soft already, and I give it a stir. Look at the real oha soup. Look at that one they served me yesterday night in my dream. I can't even. The thing was just looking somehow. The verse I take come to just cook my own this morning. All right, guys. So, which swallow do you want to eat this soup with? Tell me in the comment section. Thank you.